Hi, I'm Christine. I just wanted to pop on here this morning in all my dready glory about decluttering because I am trying to change my mood and change my direction right now. So I wanted to share this real quick. Some stuff that I've been wanting to throw out there, so I'm gonna start getting around to some of it. And this is decluttering for emotional relief. And I got to my basement today. So the different levels of your house can be thought of different things, different ways, and decluttering has so much, weight to it. I tell all my clients to go home and change something around when they're done with a session, just to kind of lock those changes into place. So, anyways, the basement being the emotional clutter of your life and your emotions. So cleaning up the basement would be cleaning up your emotional life. The first floor, the main floor would be like what's going on in your present life, and your upstairs, if you have one, or your attic or whatever, would be your mental clarity. So taking that into consideration, look at your house in different ways, and if you've done anything with feng shui, the different positions the house is in and the way the floor moves. My friend Maya used to talk about, the shapes on the floor that they don't look right, that needs to move over there or whatever. So the way that the energy flows through the home or the atmosphere. So there's quite a few areas of my life and my home and my outside and porch and backyard and things that are in disarray. So it's a very good time for me to trim the crazy garden that's gotten out of control, and pick up some clutter that I'm just ready to be done with. And so here's just a few things. Start bigger, start small. Sometimes it's the biggest thing that, if you just tackle that thing, then everything else seems so small. But also it could just be one small thing, lock in a change, and or like go around, and one lady talks about, just 5 minutes of picking up garbage, nothing but garbage or paper, that can be burned, and cardboard or whatever. Just go around for 5, I say 20 if it's really crazy, but and it's a Pomodoro, the 20-minute Pomodoros. So I'm gonna try and keep this short. I wanted it to be a short, but it's not gonna be. Journal your baselines first, maybe, and then kind of go into uh, some decluttering, so you can see, like, on your journey, if you take it for, maybe it's just one day that you declutter or whatever, but maybe you make it a lifestyle, and you see that having less makes you want less and happier. And like I even see in here, right, that like that thing hasn't even been plugged in. Look, right? No, that's not the plug, but that's plugged. It hasn't been plugged in for like 7, 8, maybe 9 years. I don't know, however long I've been back here. Um, the closet, your weight. That's getting into a whole bunch of other things. I'll do that. Like a lot of times our weight is directly attached to our closet and the things that we're keeping and the things that we're keeping. So you might lose some weight if you just go around the house and start picking up some stuff or getting rid of stuff. I feel like it's all, I hope it's not all like processing everything in your life till you have nothing and then you die. I hope it's not like that, because I'm like, what else can I get rid of? It's just so much. So, anyways, hope you learned a little something. And um, yeah, I have on here like blankets, personal care products. We have a million of them. I've gotten down to, you can't tell right now, but I've actually gotten down to a few things that I know what works. It's cheap, it's inexpensive, and I don't have to buy all the crap anymore. So that saves a lot of money. I basically don't spend money. Reflect and journal, the attic, sweep. I need to sweep. Keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Oh my God, like Dory. Just keep going. Just put like with like and it'll all get done. That has been a mantra for a while now, and it has been a huge change. A huge change. Just put like with like and it'll all get done. You'll have one crazy room and you'll be like, okay, just where's this go? Where's it go with the other stuff like this? And you'll find you have 10 things, but you only want 3 of them. Or yeah, all right. So